Dr. Shah, I've been looking into using the dynamic compression plate for Mr. Milton's femur fracture. He's been non-weight bearing for 6 weeks, but his x-rays still show delayed healing. I'm wondering if the external fixator should be replaced with the plate for better stability.
I see your point, Mihira. The dynamic compression plate is useful for stabilizing long bone fractures, especially when there's a lack of proper healing. But have you considered continuing with the external fixator for a bit longer? Sometimes switching too soon might disrupt the little healing that started.
True, but I'm concerned that prolonged use of the external fixator is contributing to muscle wasting in his leg. He's already showing signs of atrophy. Wouldn't the plate allow for more controlled mobilization and prevent further loss of muscle mass?
It could, but Mihira, the plate has its risks too, particularly if the bone isn't ready for that level of stress. We should check his bone density and maybe start with partial weight-bearing exercises before considering a switch. The plate would allow for better alignment, but I'd prefer caution with a phased approach.
Agreed. Let's reassess after the bone density scan, but keep the plate as an option if things don't improve.
Mihira, I want to take a moment to speak with you about the surgery and the path forward, and my most important message is one of reassurance. The procedure was a significant success, and we were able to completely remove the lesion from your skin. This is the most crucial step, and because we caught it early and removed it fully, it is highly unlikely that it will spread elsewhere in your body. You have taken the most vital step in protecting your long-term health, and you should feel confident in that. While the word cancer can be frightening, please hold on to the fact that the proactive action you've taken has dramatically changed the outcome for the better. Now our focus shifts to vigilant, ongoing care to ensure you remain well. This means becoming the expert on your own skin. I cannot stress enough how important it is for you to regularly monitor your skin, making it a part of your monthly routine. You will be looking for any new spots that appear or any existing moles that change in size, shape, or color. This self-awareness is your first and most powerful line of defense. To support you in this, it is also essential that you schedule regular full-body skin checkups with your GP or a dermatologist. Think of these appointments as a partnership with your doctor, a scheduled reassurance to confirm that everything is as it should be. You have done the hard part, and now we move forward with careful watchfulness and peace of mind.